Welcome to the 7-Day Belly Fat Challenge. If you're looking to lose that stubborn belly fat in just 7 days with quick and easy workouts, you're in the right place. In just 10 minutes a day, you'll strengthen your core and shed inches off your waistline, all from the comfort of your own home. No equipment needed. Let's jump right in.
Three, 2, 1, 0.
Let's get started with a quick warm-up. Begin by marching in place for 30 seconds. Lift those knees up and engage your core. Next, let's loosen up with some arm circles. Big, controlled movements to get the blood flowing. Now that you're warmed up, let's dive into the workout. We've got 5 moves, each lasting 40 seconds, with a 20-second rest in between. Remember to engage your core throughout each exercise. Exercise 1. High knees. Start with high knees. Bring your knees up as high as possible and keep a steady pace. This is a great cardio move to burn fat and activate your core. Exercise 2. Bicycle crunches. Next, bicycle crunches. Make sure to twist your torso and bring the opposite elbow to the knee. This will target your abs and obliques. Exercise 3. Plank to shoulder tap. Now we're moving into plank shoulder taps. Stay strong in your plank position and tap each shoulder without letting your hips sway. This is amazing for core stability. Exercise 4. Russian twists. Russian twists are next. Keep your feet off the floor if you can for an added challenge, and twist from side to side to really hit those obliques. Exercise 5. Mountain climbers. Finally, let's finish strong with mountain climbers. Push through and give it everything you've got. This move will burn fat and get your heart pumping. Cool down and stretch. Great job. Now let's cool down with a quick stretch. Start by reaching up to the sky, then slowly fold forward. Take a deep breath in and relax into the stretch. Cool down 1 minute. Finish with a cobra stretch to open up your abs after that amazing workout. Congratulations. You've completed day 1 of the 7-Day Belly Fat Challenge. Repeat this workout every day for the next 7 days. And don't forget to stay hydrated and eat clean. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss day 2. Let's keep this momentum going, and I'll see you tomorrow. Subscribe for more workouts. Day 2 coming tomorrow.